Seagull don't know how to do it.
He's like, you giving me all that?
Only because you got balls, Seagull.
Yeah.
I get
Right?
it.
Otherwise, you'd be in trouble right now.
That's so funny.
And he's gimping too, so he's a little handicapped. So
That's hysterical.
not the head, dude.
Hey, it's my camera. Yeah, it's in here.
There you go.
Oh my God.
Are you down there, huh?
You see all the
You down there?
What's up, buddy?
We're gonna call it Gimpo. Gimpo.
That's a bigger one. Yeah, that's a bigger one.
He is a smart seagull.
He's a bold seagull.
He's a what? A
Very bold. He walked right through us.
Really?
Yeah. He says, I want some fish.
Now, what kind of fish is that?
This is striped bass.
Oh, isn't that a riot?
Yeah, that is so cool.
Let's see if we
I
can.
think you get one more. One more.
Oh my gosh.
Gonna give you a nice one, Gimpo. Wait, you're gonna get one more. Just wait, a little bit. Just be patient.
This should be on the front of a magazine for
I'll
Montauk.
put it on Facebook.
Yeah, he fed him.
There you go.
Whoa, thank you.
That's why he's so
Oh man, look, you just down that.
And he's surrounded by us.
He also lives, he has